Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Today I'm here to teach you something really interesting, and you just gotta have the microwave. Beep, beep, beep. So you just gotta press his bottom here. No. All right. So we ran out of time, and now we can just open it, and then here it is. Totally new. The most incredible technology in our world that is immersive viewing angle. I don't know the name for this one, but it's surrounded stereo sound. It's like a really big glass. You understand? And today we are here to make an unboxing. So the first thing you gotta make is just a second. I can't do it. Yes. Yes. And now the last one here. And now we may just open it. Look closer here. Take a look at this. Ba 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 bum bum ta 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 ba 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 ba. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.